Hello students, there are four questions, four graphs. They are linear graphs, okay? They are linear graphs and the equation must be linear. But the question says, find the slope in this equation. Look, it says estimate the uh, estimate the slope of the line using its graph. Guys, here we don't have any rules, but we can use that rate and ratio. You see that, guys? Slope is equal to vertical change over horizontal change, isn't it? So, plot 2 points that you know, guys. For example, this point we don't know what is this point. We don't know what is this point. It is nearly 3 points something to this. Okay, you don't know these 2 points, but I know this point is exactly it is 2 and 0, isn't it? So this point is 2 and 0. How about this one, guys? This is 4 and 4. Okay, so you have 2 points. Write those 2 points first. You can say 2 and 0, 2 and 0, and then the other one is 4 and 4, 4 and 4. If you have 2 points, I'm sure you can find that answer. Or there's another way, guys. The slope of this is positive, isn't it? So slope is positive. Slope is equals to, first one, it is positive, isn't it? We can say slope is equal to positive sign because this is goes from right to left, okay? From right to left, we are drawing by our right hand, so this is positive. And it is what over what? It is vertical change over horizontal change. Let's say vertical change is from this point to this point is, look here, we have how many numbers till the horizontal of the other points? We have only 4. So we have 4 at the top because this is dy over dx. Okay, and the vertical change is, let's do like this. This is 1, 2. So it is on 2. So the the horizontal change, sorry, is 2. So 4 over 2 is equal to 2. This is the first one, guys, we found by 2 ways. The first one is by finding 2 points and then use the rule of slope. Y2 minus y1, it becomes 4, and 4 minus 2 becomes like 2. So 4 over 2, it becomes 2, and it is positive. This is one way. And the other way is by using the vertical change to the horizontal change. And sometimes we need this, guys. The vertical change is 4 units and the horizontal change is 2 units. Look, 1, 2. Now, guys, let's go to the second one. The slope of second one is equals to what? Because this is horizontal, so slope of horizontal line is equal to 0, like the, we can say like the table you have. Okay, when you drop something, a water on the table, the water will stay in on the table. So the slope of that table is 0. And this is, let's say this is a table, so the slope of on this line is 0. Okay. How about the slope of the fourth one? Let's talk about the fourth one. The fourth one is horizontal. So slope of horizontal is equal to undefined. Why it's undefined, guys? Because this is a vertical line. Let's say this is a building, okay? Let's say this is a building. This building guys, let's say this is a building, number one, okay? When you throw something at the top, what is the slope that comes down? So it increased the velocities too much, isn't it? So it will fall the object very, very fast. So very, very, very fast, it means you can't find the slope. So it is undefined. Okay. Now let's go to the last one and let me clean those things. Uh, the last one is this one, number three, let's say. We have to plot 2 points that we must be sure about it. I don't know this point, guys, because this is 2 point what, I don't know. I don't know this point is what. Maybe 2 and 2, yes, this is 2 and 2, we can use this one. Okay, but I can know this point is 3 minus 3, and this is negative 1, of course. So this is minus 1, minus, sorry, 3 and minus 1. So this is 1 point. And the other point is, let's say, 1 and 4. Okay, this is 1 and 4, let's say. Okay, now what is the slope, guys? The slope is, let's make a horizontal line. Look, this is 1 and 4. What is the change in vertical? The change in vertical is 1, look guys, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So it is 5 units. Okay, the vertical change is 5 units. So slope is equal to, for this, slope is equal to 5. But this 5, guys, is different. Why it's different? Because we are coming to down. So when we come to down, it is negative. Look, I want to go from this point to this point, okay? So 1, when I say to down, it's negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5. So it is negative 5. This is negative 5 is a horizontal change. How about the vertical change? Now I am here. I am going to write, it means positive 1, 2. So it is on 2. So minus 5 over 2, it means minus 2.5. You can write minus 2.5 or minus 5 over 2, same. Or we can say this negative is came from what? We can say this is the line is from left to right. So this is the slope is negative. Or we can write that points. This is 4 and no 1 and 4, 1 and 4, and the other point is minus 3 and 1. Look, we can plot here minus 3, sorry, minus 3 and 1, like this, and we can use double, and the answer will be 4. We can say like this. It is 3 and sorry, it is 3 and minus 3 and 1. Minus 3 is the left side, but this is 3 and minus 1. So now guys, look, if we use the rule 4 minus 1, it means 5, and 1 minus 3, it means minus 2. So this minus, if it is at the top or beside this line or at the bottom, it is same. So we can say this is equal to 5 over negative 2. It is same, okay? Or this negative we can write here, not at the top. That's same, okay? I hope you guys understand this very well.